Hey, welcome back to hillbillyroandd. So tonight it's another nice rainy Saturday night, and you can hear the rain coming down. Tonight I'm gonna be trying out my new Dutch oven a little bit more, and I'm gonna be doing lasagna. I think that'll be a good trial run. Also trying out this new light. I haven't quite figured it out yet. I don't know how I want to use it. I do need a little bit more light out here sometimes, but anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna try out this lasagna in the 12-inch Lodge Dutch oven, and yeah, it's all new to me. I mean, they say, put 12 coals on the bottom and 17 coals on top, and sounds like that's handy information to have. Hopefully it works. It's what we'll see. I'm just going to light up some briquettes, and sounds like 20, 23, 24 briquettes or something, whatever. Put 8 on the bottom, 17 on top on the lid, and I'm going to give that a try and see how it works. I've never done it before. So, but I have all the stuff for the lasagna here. Show you. Got everything ready to go pretty much. I got the noodles, the lasagna pasta, oven ready lasagna, ricotta cheese, got my SPG, salt, pepper, garlic, a couple jars of spaghetti sauce. One of them is 3 cheese, and the other one is tomato basil and garlic. Now I got 2 pounds of ground chicken, because I want, Rochelle hopefully she can eat this. And I hope it comes out good and she'll like it and everything, because that way we can share a meal together. A lot of times I cook out things, and she can't eat it, but got some mozzarella cheese, got some Parmesan, and let's see, some Italian seasoning. So the first order of business is going to be getting going to brown up the 2 pounds of chicken. Oh, well, I forgot to bring out a couple things. I need onion, a little bit of garlic. So I'm going to brown up the ground chicken, throw in an onion, a few cloves of garlic, get that all cooked up, throw that in with the spaghetti sauce. Oh, I know another thing I forgot, 2 eggs. I need 2 eggs, because I'm going to mix that in with the ricotta cheese. And I'm just going to start making layers with the ground chicken and spaghetti sauce mixture. Put down a layer of that, some of the ricotta cheese on top, a layer of noodles, another layer of the meat sauce, another layer of ricotta cheese. Do that, make like 3 layers like that, and let it bake for 45 minutes, and keep our fingers crossed it comes out good. So we'll see, and stick around and be back here in just a minute. Alright, see if we can get these coals laid out here. Got this stainless steel and metal tray that Charles Dad made a long time ago. And I'm going to try that for these coals. Get heat out for a minute. Oil in here. Alright, let's see if we can get this chicken in here. Okay. There's 2 pounds of chicken. Let's see, we got some chopped onion here. Add in some chopped up garlic. Alright, while we're waiting on that chicken to brown up, I'm going to go ahead and get this cottage cheese mixed up here. Let's see. Garlic here. It's getting there. A little bit longer. Alright, so I'm going to take this, scoop it out into this bowl, and then we can add the spaghetti sauce and seasoning, and start to make our layers here. sauce. I kind of eyeball how much to use because, I mean, it's SPG in here. And let's see, some Italian seasoning. Okay. Stir that up. Okay, now let's start putting some layers in here. That, add some cottage cheese. Parmesan. Some of our noodles out here. Never use these things before. Let's see what we got here. All right. Noodles down. Parmesan on there. I'll put the mozzarella on top. Okay. Now, get the lid here. And there's the lid. Get some of my coals from over here. Cover it up. Got the vents wide open, top and bottom. Let's see how it does. Give it some time. We'll see. Never done this with a Dutch oven. It's kind of a learning experience, but you know, just gotta give it some heat and some time, and I think it'll hopefully, fingers crossed, it's gonna come out good. So we'll see here in a little bit. Well, let's check on it here. Get the spine on. Bring it down here. Let's see how this is doing. It's cooking. It ain't done yet though. Sure if I need to add more coals to the bottom or not. Let's see. It seems like the coals on the bottom are like freaking done. I had some more packed around the side, but they didn't really light. See if that does. Well, we'll just keep letting it go, because some of these coal recommendations, you know, they could be for, you know, summertime, totally different weather conditions. So I put more coals underneath, I put more coals on top, and you know, I can see some of them are getting lit up, but I think it's just going to take patience and letting it go for, you know, a while longer, and eventually it's going to get done. But you know, we'll keep an eye on it and see how it goes. It's pouring down right now, that's for sure. You can hear it. Well, it sure is pouring down raining, and I've been checking on this lasagna here, and I mean, it's plenty hot. I mean, it's it's over 200 degrees, and I can't seem to get the top of it browned, you know, like the cheese browned. Let me show you here. Take a look at it. You know, I've been trying it with the lid on and the lid off, because the wind and the cold is, you know, kind of like blowing the heat away. But I'll show you what it looks like here. So, yeah, it's not bad. I wish I could get the top browned up a little bit more. It's not too bad. So, yeah, that's kind of laying out the middle. I'm gonna take it off and let it rest for a little bit. Let everything get cooled down, see if we can slice some pieces out. I bought some French bread tonight, and you know, so we can have that to go with it. That's going to take at least a half an hour to cool down, and it's already getting late. So I don't know. We'll try it, see how it goes. You know, this is the first night with the Dutch oven cooking, and this thing is definitely packed full with lasagna. You know, a lot of food in there. Alright, so I gotta get a taste test of this. I mean, this stuff is... we got some butter bread here, we got the lasagna, and gotta get a taste for, you know, we have dinner together tonight. So, let's see how it is. Man, that's good. Yeah. I mean, I got so many ideas for that that Dutch oven. I think it's awesome. I mean, I can't wait to use it when we go camping. Or, you know, just any time when, I don't know, I'm looking up these Dutch oven recipes, and there's all kinds of chicken, and it's just so useful. And it's kind of neat. I can use it with my grill, so I'm looking forward to that. And try another bite. Man. Yeah, lots of ricotta, Parmesan. I did do it with chicken, ground chicken instead of ground beef, because Ro can't eat the ground beef. But yeah, ricotta cheese, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella. Oh man, it's delicious. I'm happy with it. I like this. I like the Dutch oven. There it is. And I got the lid outside. You know, it's got the rim on it, so you can put the coals on top. But yeah, thanks for being here. Thanks for watching Hillbilly Row and D. And look forward to catching you in the next episode. So, we'll talk to you in a little bit. Talk to you then. Bye.